Hello friend, as you have seen in the previous video, I have discussed the first case of the simple microscope, and now in this case only we find the expression of M. Okay, magnification. So before discussing, I want to tell that what is meant by the least distance of distant vision, that is D. As you know, our eye will see the object with a certain distance, and if we close more and more it becomes blur. So the minimum distance at we see the object clear, it known as the least distance of distinct vision, and for best distance the D is said to be 25 centimeter. This is the distance where we see the object clearly. Beyond that the object becomes blur. Our eye is natural, but simple microscope is the instrument. Okay, so now I discuss a triangle. This is theta, this is A, this is B object, and this is our eye. So minimum distance D should be 25 centimeter. Okay, if the image is formed, the image will be large than the object. You will see the difference. This is the object, this is the image. The image is formed A dash, B dash, and this is theta. Okay, this is theta naught, this is theta. Okay, and this distance is also, this is I. Okay, and this theta naught is called the visual angle of the object, and this theta is called the visual angle of the image. Okay, so the ratio of the angular magnification of the microscope that we have to discuss, that is M, is theta by theta naught. That is, angular magnification of microscope M is equal to theta, that is the visual angle of image, by theta naught, that is visual angle of the object. Okay, so this is the case, and we have to find the angular magnification of the simple microscope of the first case, that is the previous one. I hope you have understand. And now we have to find the expression for the M, that is angular magnification. Okay, you have to write all the definition that I have told. I have not written all one. Okay, so please see expression for M, that is the angular magnification. Okay, so since M is equal to theta divided by theta naught, where theta and theta naught are the small angles. Okay, these are the small angles. And if we consider theta to be small, then theta is approximately small than and comparatively equal to tan theta, and tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Okay, so it is equal to AB by X, where we have taken the X. This is the triangle, this is A, this is B object, and this is the theta. You see the previous ray diagram. I have drawn. You find that. Okay, this is the I, and this distance is x and equal to d. Okay, you compare that one. Okay now, and theta naught is equal to 10 theta naught, that is AB by D. Okay, now M equal to, compare it, M equal to what? D by X, as AB are cancelled out. Okay, now we use the thin length formula. What is thin length formula? 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Okay, here V is the image distance and U is the object distance. What is the image distance here? Image distance is D and object distance is U, and both are in the same direction in the left side, so we take both of them in negative. Okay, so minus 1 by D minus 1 minus X equal to 1 by F. If we take 1 by X this side, left hand side, and 1 by D is right hand side, then see 1 by X, wait, there is no space here now. 1 by X equal to 1 by D plus 1 by F. Okay, D, transfer the D here, so you will get D divided by X equal to 1 plus D by F. Okay, if you make D here, then D will be multiplied here also. Now LCM. Okay, so M equal to 1 plus D by F. This is the angular magnification for the first case. Okay, we have to also discuss the second one, when we place the object very close to the focal length and the image will be formed at infinity. So I have done in rough way. You will see M equal to 1 plus D by F. Okay.